Well, here we go. We got a Mondeo Diesel ST in for remap this morning. This one is a 2.2 155, and we're going to do an EGR off and a stage 1 map. So we're going to put it through its paces on the dyno. We've just done a health check and we've had a look at the codes, and obviously it's bringing up EGR codes, but we're going to clear them off in the remap because the EGR has been blanked. So here we go. We're having a laugh here because apparently Tina Turner was born in 19... Tina Turner was born in 1939 and I thought she was 100. That's how... That's how good my maths is. Right, back to what I was doing. Sorry about that, guys. Tina Turner is not 100 years old. Right, so Mondeo mapped. As you can see, gains across the rev range, which is good. Now, obviously, it's a 2.2, so some of these are pretty strung out on the injectors anyway. But, yeah, we came in on 153 brake and leaving on 175. We've made 40 foot-pound of torque, and that's the big difference there, and that's definitely what's going to be felt. But, yeah, there you go. Some genuine gains there. 175 brake, finish.
Light moves pretty fast.